Hey guys, it's Jenny. I am so excited right now because FabFitFun just came out with their spring box and I have not seen it. I wanted to be surprised because honestly the winter months have been really harsh and I always look forward to my mommy surprises from FabFitFun, and now that it's here, I cannot wait to open it. But if you want to get yours now, you can get $10 off using my code, and it's $39.99. You cannot beat that. So I can't wait to dig in. FabFitFun magazine, like always. All right, springtime. Thank God. New brush. So this is Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangler Brush. I already know I'm gonna have an issue with this because my daughter loves rose gold and chrome. That apparently became her new favorite color. So my daughter goes around saying that she's obsessed with rose gold. I'm like, girl, you don't even know what rose gold is. So I feel like she's gonna steal this right away. I'm gonna hide it because this is my favorite color and I think she just likes to mess with me. But this professional paddle brush features extended bristles for easy detangling and reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow drying, which is amazing because I have these new 40-inch ponies and I need a really good brush that will protect them and not pull and yank my hair. So I'm actually really excited to have this. I will just be hiding it from my daughter. So I made my box a surprise, but you don't have to. You can customize, change, you can pick what products you want in your box, which is super exciting. And all boxes are over $200 in value. And with my code, you'll get $10 off. So your entire box of full-size products is only $39.99, which is super exciting. And if you're a mom like myself, you will love the seasonal subscription because it feels like, you know, Christmas every few months, to me anyways. This is Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. Oh my gosh. I've never seen one of these, and I have weighted blankets. They're huge in my home, especially for my son, but I've never actually seen a weighted sleep mask. I feel like this is the game changer, especially if you have, which is just horrible, like sunlight that comes in your room super early, or if you just need that comfort on your eyes or traveling. Weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. I am obsessed. I can't wait to use this tonight. I just feel like when I travel, sleeping is one of the hardest things to get adjusted with, or just kids, or like light on the weekends. It's like Saturday morning, I'm still waking up at 6:30 because it's, you know, really sunny in the room. So this, I feel like, will change everything. Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I've been using this brand since I was a teenager. It was one of the first brands I was ever introduced to as a kid, and it's still one of the best. It's been around forever, and I trust all their products. So I'm really excited that they put the Rapid Collagen Infusion in the box for AM and PM massage evenly on your face and neck. Their products are amazing, and I'm old now. I am mid-30s, so any products like this will help me. Obsessed. Smells super clean, fresh, absorbs so good into the skin, and it's Rapid Collagen Infusion, which I need all the collagen I can get. In fact, you start losing it in your 30s, so. AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner Moisture. This is fantastic. Not only will I try this on myself, but my daughter, she looks like Tarzan every morning. It's like an everyday thing I go through with her, and she steals all my brushes. So I will be using this to hopefully smooth out her calm, frizzy, coarse hair, which is awesome. That's actually what is going on underneath here. And it's leave-in quarter-size amount on clean, damp hair, focusing on the ends, comb through, and you don't rinse, and fast food. I like it. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like fresh but fruity. There's no parabens, no gluten. It smells so good. Maybe Milani will actually let me put this in her hair because it smells like candy. Oh, big game changer. My friends will be super happy about this. Silicone straws. I recently just got rid of straws in my house, along with a few of my friends, especially the ones that you throw out after one use. We're, trying to save the animals and fishies people. So you get reusable silicone straws. There are 4 in here. Milkshake, green juice, favorite happy hour. The eco-friendly set comes with 4 straws, a brush cleaner, and portable carrying case. Oh, I love this. And people are like, what are you gonna do? Like, if you're out and about, like this is huge. You put them in the carrying case. You bring them with you. You make it a lifestyle change. Like this can go such a long way, and I'm so pro this. You don't have to give up your straw. You just have to like make adjustments. So this is Shake and Tonic. I love this. So you reuse them. You don't have to throw any of them away. You clean them. You bring them in here so you can have your like fast food, sodas or shakes or green juice on the go, and you don't have to throw away the straw. So thank you, Chic and Tonic. I love you guys because I love these. So adorable and so big for spring because everyone's going back outside. At least I am, because Jersey is not freezing anymore, so these will be used outside a lot. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, lotion, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and mornings. So use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin. This works. This brand has been around. They actually had a spray, like a nighttime spray in FabFitFun previously, which I love. And I used to like spray all over the pillows and stuff. So it actually smells really similar to the spray. And if any of you guys ever had like a previous box with it, it's like a really calming smell. So I'm really glad that they made it into a lotion because I always said I want this like on my body. And here it is. I called it. Might be in one of my old videos, I'm just saying. But this smells amazing, and it's so calming and nourishing, and it literally, I don't know what it is in there, but it just relaxes you, and it's anti-aging super blend. On top of it, I want to take a nap right now. It's so good. This works. It literally does. That's why they named it. Ooh, what do we got here? I love this. Fresh Spring Donny. Look at this. Nicole is obsessed with these cardigans. I actually wear them all the time on the show too because it's not quite summer with the t-shirt, but you want to wear the tanks and you want to be, respectful, and it's still a little chilly in New Jersey. I don't know where you guys live, but it's still chilly. So you're able to wear these. It's light. It has such a beautiful spring tone to it. It's super soft. And the one thing I love the most about this, it has pockets. So if you're on the go, you don't want to take your purse. You just want to throw your keys and your phone. Super deep pockets, so comfortable. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna wear this tonight. There's one more. There is a Winky Lux lip balm. Super important now that the winter months are over to restore your lips. Oh my God, I love this. Ooh, yeah, my daughter's stealing this on me too. I'm sure all the moms out there understand that, but it's so cute. 3 colors, and because of that, my daughter is gonna steal it because she thinks it's gonna be a rainbow lip. So it has flattering cherry, pink shade, and can be used on lips and cheeks. Love that. Nourishes lips, pineapple flavor. Yep. This is going to be stolen by my daughter. So this is a color enhancing pH balm. pH is obviously super important when you get your pH balanced. Skin is never like too oily or over dry, so it's just perfect. So it's amazing that it's pH matching technology, universally flattering, cherry pink shade, and pineapple flavor. I'm excited to try this. So you can get all of this. It's a value of way over $200. I'm obsessed. You can get it for $10 off using my code $39.99. So it's really important to become a member of FabFitFun because it's not only about the box. You'll have access to sales, FabFitFun TV, their community. It's huge. It's amazing. All these products you'll be able to customize. It's seriously the best. You can't beat that. And this will obviously kick off your year, your spring, your good times. Now you have your straws for all your fruity drinks outside in the nice weather, all your skin nourishing. Hairbrush, cardigan, your sleep mask, because if you're like me, you get zero sleep. So I am super excited to try my new FabFitFun spring box.